This is a YouTube thumbnail that I just created in the style of the Kurzgesagt channel, which is a very popular education channel on YouTube. But I did not do anything other than just providing a simple prompt to this AI tool. So far, I have tried so many AI tools for creating YouTube thumbnails, but only this one that's able to hit the mark. It is called adventuregen.ai, and this tool is actually available for free. You can try to create a few thumbnails without paying anything. And this tool is basically able to create some amazing and unique YouTube thumbnails based on some popular channels on YouTube like MrBeast, Kurzgesagt, and many others. And the generations were pretty amazing. These are just some examples, but it's kind of difficult to tell which one actually created by the channel owner and which one that was created by AI, because they do look very, very similar, just like this example that I just created using this AI tool. Now, if you want to use this tool, you can navigate to adventuregen.ai and then you can sign up for free. So I'm going to launch the app and I'll show you how you can use it. I'll try to create a new thumbnail based on the style of the Kurzgesagt videos. So here is the interface. Basically, you have to select the the thumbnails mode. That's the one that you want to use. And here you see that I have only 70 credits because I have used some of it for the thumbnails here that I just created on this tool. And here I'm going to provide a simple prompt down here. I'm going to just copy and paste that. So the thumbnail goes for something like this: generate a YouTube thumbnail for a video that talks about the negative effects of watching brain rot content. And here is very important. You have to select the preset to be the channel style that you want to imitate. In this case, I will try to use the style of Kurzgesagt. And now after that, you can ignore everything because these cannot be changed because you are selecting the thumbnails mode. But you can just click the generate button and wait for this AI tool for creating the thumbnail based on the prompt. Alright, your coin balance is running low. To continue, I can ignore that actually. I still have enough credits to create a few more thumbnails. So I'll be back when it is done. Alright, this is the result. That's pretty amazing actually. You can see that this feels like a thumbnail from Kurzgesagt, but maybe if you look closely, there could be some details that could give away that this wasn't created by a real person, this was AI. But if you look from afar, this feels like a genuine thumbnail that was created by the Kurzgesagt channel. So that's pretty amazing. Now I'll try to use a different prompt with a bit more specificity. Now I'm going to close this and I'll try to create a new thumbnail. Let me delete this. I'm going to right click, paste, and I have this new prompt that is a bit more specific. Generate a YouTube thumbnail that shows two people on each side, PC versus console for the best platform for gaming, with the big text at the top showing the war. And just click generate and wait until finish. Alright, this is the result. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of this generation because I'm thinking that the people here is going to be facing each other, but it's actually blocking each other, and the word "the war" should be at the top, but right now it is in the middle of the picture. So it's not always perfect, but from the style standpoint, it's very, very close, especially if you look at the previous example that I just created using this AI tool. This one is my favorite. It looks very, very genuine. It's almost like it was made by Kurzgesagt, even though it wasn't. But yeah, regardless of its imperfection, it will only get better over time. So go ahead, try adventuregen.ai and then see whether or not this tool might be the best tool for creating a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.